Hi to everyone, this is me Vishnu DC. Once again welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talking about the topic sets. At the beginning of video we will learn what can be the reason of two sets Venn diagram, and at the later of this video we will learn some beautiful tricks to solve some important word problems from these topics with the help of Venn diagram. Keep watching till the end. Let's move into the topic. Suppose A and B are subset of universal set. Then from the Venn diagram, from this Venn diagram, this region, this is number of A intersection B. This is intersection region between these two sets, number of A intersection B. Number of A intersection B. Look at your screen. This region is only region of A. This is represented by N not A, only region of A. This region is only region of B, represented by N not B. Students, look at your screen. This region, this is complement region, A union B complement, number of A union B complement. And number of A is this one region, number of A is this whole region, number of A. And number of B is this whole region. Number of A union B is this one region plus this one region plus number of A union B is N not A plus number of A intersection B plus N not B. Number of U equals to all the region. Number of A union B complement, N not A intersection region, only region of B. Sum of all this region is number of U, cardinality of U. Okay, in a class of 75 students, there are total number of students 75, 50 like visiting, 40 like picnic. If each students like at least one activity, by using Venn diagram, find the number of students like both. Let B and P represent the number of students like picnic respectively. Number of U equals to 75. 50 student like visiting means number of V is 50. 40 student like picnic means number of P equals to 40. If each students like at least one activity, means there is no any students who do not like visiting and picnic, means complement reason is empty. By using Venn diagram, find the number of students who like both, means number of V intersection P equals to what? Let number of V intersection P equals to X. Visiting V intersection P is X. Number of V is 50, means whole region is 50, intersection is X, means only region of V is 50 minus X. Total cardinality of P is picnic 40, intersection is X, means only region of P is 40 minus. Now from the Venn diagram, number of U equals to only region of V, this is 50 minus X, intersection plus X, and only region of P is 40 minus X. Or replace the value of number of U, which is 75, equals to plus X minus X, cancel out. 50 plus 40 is 90 minus X. Then arrange like term. This X, transform this X into LHS, this is plus X. 90 and transform this 75 into RHS, this is minus 75. Or X equals to 90 minus 75 is 50. Or V intersection P equals to 50. Okay, in a survey carried out of 100 youth in a village, it was found that 40 like foreign employment, 70 like self-employment. Then find the answer of the following questions. How many of them like both foreign and self-employment? How many of youth like self-employment only? How many youth like foreign employment only? Let up and yes represent here. Survey carried out of 100 youth, means number of youth is 100. 40 like foreign employment, number of F is 40. 70 like self-employment, number of S is 70. How many of them like both foreign and self-employment? Number of F intersection S equals to what? How many of youth like self-employment only? Number N not S is what? How many youth like foreign employment? N not F is also what? Try to understand through the Venn diagram. In this question, number of U is given, means whole region is given. Number of F means this region is given, and number of S means this region is also given. Look at your screen. This is intersection region of both the sets. According to the given, number of U equals to number of F, then number of S, and this intersection region repeat 2 times, means we have to subtract this one region at once. F intersection yes. Now number of U equals to number of F plus number of S minus number of F intersection S. At first, number of F means this region, number of S is this region, intersection repeat 2 times. That means we have to subtract this intersection region at once. Then replace the value of number of U 100, number of F 40 plus number of S 70 minus number of F intersection S as it is, or 100 70 plus 40 is 110 plus number of F intersection S. Then arrange like term, number of F intersection S equals to 110 minus 100. This is 10. Means 10 students like both foreign and self-employment. Again, look at this figure. This whole region, number of F is given 40, and this region is 10. Whole region is 40 and intersection region is 10. To find F N not F, F only this number of F minus intersection F intersection S. This is the formula to find out N not F, only region of F. In this way, for N not S, total N not S is given, intersection is given. Only region of S, N not S equals to total S 70, N not S minus intersection S intersection. Yeah. So number second, N not S equals to number of S minus number of F intersection S. Number of S is 70 minus intersection is 10. This is 60. N not F is equals to number of F minus number of F intersection S. Number of F is 40. This one 40 minus intersection is 10, 30. Means 10, 60 and 30 are the okay. Next question. Among the 150 students appeared in an examination, 60% passed in mathematics, 50% passed in science, and 20% passed in both subjects. By using Venn diagram, find how many students failed in both subjects. Also find the number of students passed in mathematics only. Let M and S represent. Number of U is 150. There are total number of students 150. 60% passed in mathematics means number of M is 60% of 150, which is 60 divided by 100 times 150. 0 0 cancel out, 0 0 cancel out, 90. Number of S is 50% of 150. 50 divided by 100 times 150. This is 0 0 cancel out. 75 students passed in science. 20% passed in both means number of M intersection S is 20% of 150. This is 20 divided by 100 times 150. 0 0 0 0 cancel out. 30 is the number of students passed in both the subjects. Now draw Venn diagram. M, yes. Intersection region 30. Total cardinality of M is 90. Intersection is 90 means only region of M is 90 minus 30, which is 60. We can write down 60 only. Okay, next one. Total cardinality of S is 75. Cardinality of S, this one 75. Intersection is 30 means only region is 75 minus 30, which is 45. Now 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 45, 135. Total cardinality of U is 150 means 150 minus 135, this is 15. Okay, look at this question. By using Venn diagram, find how many students fail in both the subjects and also find the number of students passed in mathematics only. Look at this Venn diagram. 60 students passed in mathematics only, 45 students passed in science only, 30 students passed in math and science, and 15 students failed in both the subjects. From the Venn diagram, 60 students passed in mathematics only and 15 students failed in both the subjects. Means 15 students and 60 students, and this is our required answer. Okay, I have finished my lesson. If you do like my video, don't forget to give them a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you do not have already. If there is any confusion, leave your comment below in the comment section. See you in next video. Bye bye.